Welcome to our loops lesson. Let's turn to page 45. We'll start with the slim 7. Just do our tracing. So page 45. Remember, you start with the 7 on these letters. So you go over, down for the P, around. 7, P. The R is the same way, but they have the kick at the end. So, oops. 7, P, kick. 7, P, kick. Good. And now you can't see my B's, so I'm going to try and do this. Okay, there are 2 types of B's. Remember, this one is if we want to connect it to other letters, like if I were trying to name Bob. And this is if we're doing like initials. They're not connected. So 7B, kick out. 7B, kick out. Now let's do the 7 kick in. 7B, kick in. 7B, kick in. Okay. After that, we did 2 other slim 7 letters. We have our H and K. So the H is where we jump over and actually pick up our pencil. So we do our 7, pick up, line, hold on to it, and loop around. Okay, 7, line, loop around. Now we have our K, 7, up, down. 7, up, down. Great. Yesterday we learned about a bunch of letters called umbrella top and egg. So for the umbrella top letters, we always have this movement that kind of looks like the top of an umbrella. So we start up here for the C, go down a little, big C. Down a little, big C. You need to make sure you're making the C between the big top and bottom lines, because that's what lets the reader know it's a capital letter. So now we also did the E. So you again do that little down, little C, big C. Little C, big C. And then lastly, we did our A. It looks like just a large lowercase a, but just like the C, you need to be mindful that your letter is between the top and bottom line, so you know it's capital. So you start here, around, up, down, kick. Around, up, down, kick. We also did the egg letters, which were 2 letters. We have the O and the Q. So they both start right here. You make an egg shape for the O, kick it up. Egg, kick up. For the Q, we pick up our pencil. So we do our egg, pick up, and you start over here, do a squiggle. O, pick up, squiggle. O, pick up, squiggle. Great. Today we're working on high hills and low valleys. So similar to those hills and valleys letters we did for lowercase, these are the uppercase versions where we're practicing larger hills and larger valleys. So we're kind of doing a candy cane starter is what they call here. So we start up near the top line for this. Okay. So just start this candy cane starter. Just practice tracing it. It's going to look like a backwards candy cane. Actually, no, frontwards. Yeah. Candy cane, candy cane. Okay, the N. You're starting with that candy cane. Then you just go over, and that's your N. N. It looks like a big lowercase print N with a little curl on the side. So candy cane, N. Let's try some here. Candy cane, N. Remember to kick that up at the end, so in case you need to connect 2 other letters. So our N's. Now for the M, remember just like with the lowercase m, we just have one more hill. So you do hill, hill, pick up. Okay, if you remember the lowercase n, it was 2 hills, and the m, it was 3. we're back to the normal representation here with 1 hill in the N, 2 in the M. So candy cane, hill, hill, pick up. Let's try it. Candy cane, hill, hill, pick up. 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 Now you might be tempted like to write it like this. That is not your M. This line needs to go all the way down to the midline, and you need to have these. I forgot that in the last one. Okay. So on this page, you'll notice, and I'll show you with my camera, just like with the other pages, we have columns. Okay. Write a capital N here, M, M, and then write them all the way down the page on each line. You should have 26 N's, 26 M's. It sounds like a lot. It does not take that long. You're also doing deep valley letters, U and Y. So again, you're starting with that candy cane. So you trace that candy cane again. We're still doing that, just like with the M and the N. So you're going to do your candy cane all the way back up to the top line, back, down, kick. Okay? Candy cane, up, down, kick. Okay. Candy cane, up, down, kick. Candy cane, up, down, kick. There. That is our capital U. You want to make sure, again, they're reaching the top and bottom lines. Okay. For the U, it's just like with that lowercase u. I mean, with the Y, it's just like the lowercase y. It's the U with a little bit of loop on the end, okay? So candy cane, up to the top line, trace down past, loop, okay? U, down, loop. Candy cane, up, down, loop. Let's try it. Don't know why my hair keeps getting on this. Okay, candy cane, up, down, loop. Candy cane, up, down, loop. Candy cane, up, down, loop. It's very important you have that loop on the left side. Oop, you can't even see that one. It's very important the candy cane, the loop is on this side, okay? And that's our Y. So today you're responsible for doing the same thing with the M's and the N's. So write a capital U here. Oh, and I actually forgot a letter. Miss Nelson read this too fast and forgot the V because it kind of looks like the U. So we're doing a V as well. So hold your horses. Back to the drawing board. Look back up at the V. Okay, so it's very similar to the U. You're doing a candy cane and then just going up past the top line. This goes past the top. It's probably one of the only letters that goes past the top. It's only a little bit, okay? So candy cane, up past, and release. Let's try some. Candy cane, up. It's very important you have that up here. That lets your reader know you're writing a V. Okay? Those are our V's. Okay, so now we can look at the bottom of the page. Miss Nelson's not jumping the gun now. Okay, so we have to make capital U here, capital V here, capital Y, and then make them down underneath the letters on each line. So 13 U's, 13 V's, 26 Y's. So you're doing pages 49, 50 today. You need to be doing enough letters to be practicing, because remember, in 3rd grade, the teachers need to be able to read your writing. Good luck.